Annyeonghaseyo, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking you on an exciting culinary journey into the heart of Korea with one of its most beloved dishes, galbitang. But wait, there's more. We're not just going to share the common facts. We'll uncover the maximum unknown facts about this delectable Korean soup. So, get ready to tantalize your taste buds and expand your knowledge about galbitang. Let's dive right in. Galbitang is a classic Korean soup that holds a special place in Korean culture and cuisine. The name itself gives us a clue about its main ingredient. Galbi means ribs, and tang translates to soup. The base of galbitang is beef short ribs, and it's traditionally simmered for hours, resulting in a rich, flavorful broth. Secret to the rich broth. The secret to galbitang's heavenly broth lies in the simmering process. Koreans believe in a slow and patient method to extract all the flavors from the beef ribs. It's simmered for hours, sometimes overnight, allowing the meat to become tender and imparting its essence into the broth. The significance of galbitang. Beyond being a delicious dish, galbitang holds cultural significance in Korean communities. It is often served on special occasions and family gatherings, symbolizing warmth, love, and unity among friends and family members. Did you know that there are different variations of galbitang across Korea? Some regions add a touch of medicinal herbs like ginseng or jujubes to enhance its health benefits. Other areas may include noodles or turn it into a spicy version by adding gochujang, red chili paste. The ancient origins. Visuals of historical depictions of galbitang. Galbitang's history traces back centuries, with references found in ancient Korean texts and paintings. It was once considered a luxurious dish, primarily enjoyed by the royal family and nobility. Health benefits of galbitang. Galbitang not only satisfies the palate but also offers several health benefits. The soup is rich in essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and vitamins. The gelatin extracted from the bones helps improve joint health and supports digestion. Galbitang around the world. Galbitang's popularity has transcended Korea's borders and can be found in Korean restaurants worldwide. Many people from different cultures have fallen in love with its unique flavors and wholesome goodness. There you have it, our journey through the captivating world of Korean galbitang, along with some maximum unknown facts. From its humble origins to its cultural significance, it's clear why galbitang has won the hearts of people all around the globe. Before we say goodbye, we encourage you to explore your local Korean restaurants and try this delightful dish for yourself. Don't forget to share your galbitang experience in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this mouth-watering adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content. Until next time, annyeonghaseyo. Goodbye and stay happy.